Hello guys, it's me again, Piping, Welding and NDT channel. So our topic for today is how to read the isometric drawing. If you are a pipe fitter, and this is the important topic. Taran! This is the, what do you call that? Isometric drawing, okay? So this is the isometric drawing. So for the pipe fitter, this is the important how to read the isometric drawing. Okay, first you must know what is the materials to be used. Okay, how? So to know the materials, you must go here in the bill of materials. Okay, from the bill of materials you can see here the type of pipe and sizes, and also the length of the pipe. Okay, so this the type of pipe here is 316. So 316, so this 316 is stainless. Okay, and what is the size? So the size is 150. Okay, so 6 inches our pipe. So from this spool we have spool 3 and spool 4. So our joint here is joint 12. So this joint 12 is a shaft weld. Okay, so this is spool 3 and spool 4 are our fit up. Okay, so for the fit up, of course we have a meter, and we have a spirit level, of course, to check the levelness of the pipe, and we have also an triangle, because to check, this is to check the squareness of the pipe. Okay, from the isometric, so this is our pipe, this is the straight pipe, and also this is the straight pipe. Okay, so from the drawing we have spool 3 and spool 4. Okay, from the our isometric, let's check again our isometric drawing. So that our spool 3 and spool 4, so our joint is joint 12. Okay, so this our joint 12. We will fit up this spool 3 and spool 4. Okay, after cleaning all this bevel, we have a bevel of 37.5. Okay, so this is the standard, and also we have a gap of 3 mm. Okay, this is a minimum, and for the maximum is a 4 mm gaff. Okay, all these 37.5 and 3 mm is okay. And then tack, we have for example, this pipe is 8 inch. uh, just as to welder tack here, and the other side just tack in the bottom and the top. Okay, and tack. After that, check the squareness. So check the squareness here. So we have a triangle here, and also triangle here. Okay, if this distance is, for example, this is 3 and 3, and and then check again from the other side, check the squareness, and then the squareness is also 3 by 3, and this pipes is already straight. Okay, and also check also the drawing from the, we have a slope here. So this is our slope, a triangle, a small triangle here, and our slope is 10%. Okay, so our slope is 10%. So how to get this 10% from our slope? So our length of 5 is, for example, is 2000. Okay, let's compute it for our slope. So for our slope, 10 divided to 100 equals 0.1, and then multiply it to 2000. So that is our answer. So our answer is 2. Okay, this is a 2 mm. So from this side we have a 2 mm slope. So this 2 mm slope, as you will cannot see from this pipe, because very small slope. Just make it, if you see this this spirit level, okay, this level, and the slope is, we will not see because only 2 mm. Okay, after finish all this, you must double check your isometric drawing. Okay, so check the dimension. This is important. Check the dimension, check the slope, what is the continuation, also check the seam line. Okay, about the seam line, so this is our 5, and this is our spool 3, spool 3 and spool 4. So our seam line, we have a seam line here from there. So from this is spool 3, if you see this seam line from the spool 3 and from the spool 4, this is incorrect. Okay, this is incorrect. So much better to make it a distance from both seam line, from spool 3, from spool 4. They have a distance. It's different from the specification of the project. So from this seam line, we have a minimum 50. Okay, or so this is our pipe. This is our seam line, and from the other spool, this our seam line. So make it 30 degrees. Okay, so these are very important. You must know also. Check the seam line. Okay, and from the take of the spool, so our 90 degrees is 1.5 and 45 degrees is 5.8. Okay, so in a millimeter, this is 38.1 and this is one is 15.8. Okay, so please take note, and that's all for now, guys, and thanks for watching, and I hope you like it my video, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video again. Bye guys, thank you.